So the day on which I'm shooting this video is April 1st, and for most of you guys, it's April Fool's Day, but it's officially the starting of the new financial year 2024-2025. Most of the companies have already closed their files for the previous year and have allocated their finances for this new financial year. And so am I going to do it. Piछले साल, as I have said a lot of times, was the worst year for me, not in terms of finances, but everything. But this year, I am here with a plan and already have started executing it. And I am here to document my whole journey for my future self to look at it. But first things first, I'm not a finance guru to give you instructions based on finance. मैं इस वीडियो में जो भी आगे बोलने वाला हूँ, I'll be doing them all by myself. So it's up to you whether you want to follow me, take the risk, or stay broke. So here are my 8 financial plans for the year 2024-2025. First would be to learn a set of skills in the T format, where the top of the bar would represent the skills which I am below the bar to mediocre at. And as we go down the straight bar, it denotes the specialization in my skills. So many specialization have content, marketing, leadership, communication, business consultancies, management, and finance. So these will lie on the straight bar, which denotes my specialization. And the top of the bar for me would be copywriting, designing, website building, and all. लेकिन वीडियो का टॉपिक था financial plannings. But why am I talking about skills? The only reason being, these skills have the power to give me financial, time, and location freedom. And always remember one thing: before thinking about finances, you should always focus on building your skill sets. My second financial plan would be to get to at least $10,000 per month. Yes, I know that's a lot of money for a lot of you guys in India, but that's the bare minimum for me to survive. Reason being, I love going and throwing parties. I love having fun with my friends. I love buying worthless stuffs. But if you're not aiming high, then you can never make it. You should aim for the moon so that you can at least land among stars. And how am I gonna get to $10,000 per month is another question, which I would explain in another video. My third financial plan would be to invest 10% of my income in such places where I would have no expectancies to get the money back. मेरा बोलने का मकसद यही है कि सपोज 10% ऑफ माई इनकम इज 50,000 रुपीज़, तो मैं इस 50,000 रुपीज़ को ऐसे इन्वेस्ट करूंगा कि ये अगर जीरो भी हो जाए तो मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. ये 50,000 रुपीज़ अगर 2 महीने में जीरो भी हो जाए, ऑल इन ऑल मेरा 1 लाख रुपीज़ का लॉस हो भी जाए, तो भी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये किसी न किसी महीने में 4x या 5x रिटर्न्स देगा ही देगा, जो कि मेरे को नेट प्रॉफिट में लेके आएगा. And yes, this is not gambling. This is called putting your money in places of high risk, because someone said that you only get rich by putting small amounts of money with high risks, and you stay rich by putting lots of amounts of money by taking small risks. My fourth financial plan would be to add at least 2 to 3 more income sources to my name by investing in real estate, bonds, and equities, so that I am never dependent on one source of income. And in today's world, it's really important to have multiple sources of income. और कोविड में ये आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा, तो जितना हो सकता है अपने स्किल्स को बढ़ाने पे फोकस करिए, and you'll get to multiple sources of income just by constantly studying and widening your vision. My fifth plan will be to go as much as I can in crypto coins and ETFs, and for that reason I know I need to gain lots and lots of knowledge in trading. और अगर मेरे से ये नहीं भी होता है तो I'll take advice from my brothers who are literally millionaires in trading and put my money on them, because 2025 will be giving very high returns. My sixth financial plan would be to make an SIP for my future self, which would give me an at least 10 to 12% returns on my investment per year, which only index funds can give, such as Nifty 50. No matter, even if you just invest 500 rupees every single month for the next 10 years, you will have an amount you've never expected. But the only catch is to increase your investment by 10 to 15% every single year. Literally the best piece of advice which every successful people gives the ones in their teenage years and early 20s. So the next time before you go into a fancy bar or restaurant, invest that money for your future self. My seventh financial plan would be to make a separate bank account where I would be keeping my savings. Because come on, no matter how many people say this, but keeping liquid cash with you is very important. Apple doesn't have $2 billion liquid cash with them just like that. So 30% of my income would go to my savings account, which I can take my money at any moment I want. No matter what people may say, but saving money is really important, because you never know when you would need money. And at the very moment you need money, that very savings would come to help. And my eighth and last financial plan would be to make an investment portfolio of at least $10,000. Or a pro tip: if you want to learn some skills or start a venture on something, then always make sure to look into Top banks of the world, such as JP Morgan, SoftBank, Goldman Sachs, etc., are making their investments into. For example, if they're going heavy on new technologies which involve AI, you can start something related to AI. Because if the largest investment banks in the world are making investments in certain fields, then those industries are going nowhere in the next 10 to 15 years. And always make sure to hold up onto trends. But that doesn't mean that it will jump from doing one thing to the other. Rather, you should accommodate and update yourselves with the new trends and technologies. And one such example is AI. People who are integrating AI are crushing their competitors who are not doing so. Stay with me in this journey, support me, and I'll share each and every insight of my personal finance, such as where am I investing my money into, like whether is it worth it investing your money or not, which cryptos can make you rich overnight and all. And whatever the things I tell you, they'll all be personally tested by me. So there's no catch. और हाँ, हर बार की तरह stay safe, keep winning, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.